Hey everyone, it's Heather with Project Pinup, and today I am going to be looking for some Halloween stuff. I am at my local Big Lots right now, and I might hit up a few stores afterwards, but I'm going to be filming it all and showing you guys what I found. So, alright, stay tuned. Okay, so Big Lots didn't really have a lot. I did get a palmistry hand little figurine, so I can use for like some of my photography stuff with Project Pinup. So, and then I got some like really cute like little skull hands up, but I'll show you guys in the end. Now I am going to go hit up Michael's really quick, and I'll show you guys what I got. Going to Michael's, and holy shit, there is a bunch of traffic. I hate Metro Phoenix. Oh my gosh. That was an adventure. Oh my gosh, it was so hot outside. Okay, so we went to two stores. I didn't really find much. I was kind of a little bummed, but there should be more Halloween stuff coming soon. So I think it's just too early right now. All the stores are like getting everything out on the shelves. So we're gonna go through what I got. I went to Michael's and Big Lots. I did go to Big Lots first. So with Big Lots, let's see, I spent $15 and I got this really beautiful palmistry hands. I figured I could really use this for photographing some of my jewelry and hair accessories, like more of the goth style ones, because you guys know I do pinup, rockabilly, and goth jewelry and accessories. So this totally fits everything. And it will look cute in my house too when I'm not using it. So I got that in black, and he was $12. And then I also found this cute little skull soap dispenser, and it comes with a really cute tag. Look how adorable. Oh my gosh. And he was only $2. So there was some other like ghost ones, and I'm sorry I didn't get footage of it. There was like somebody next to me, and I get anxiety anytime I have to like film in public. So yeah, so I got this. I'll probably put him in my bathroom or in my kitchen. And that's it for Big Lots. So I spent a total of $15.20. And then Michael's had a bunch of clearance stuff going on right now because they're changing seasons. So I got a couple things to photograph with. I got this really cute plant. And then I got this one. This is the Monstera leaves. These are like little palm leaves. So pretty, and it comes with these like little pots. I'll probably paint the pots or decorate them. But I figured these would be really good to photographing with or doing video or whatever. So, and these were 70% off from $20. So where's my receipts? So for those, let's see, I only paid $6 for those, so that's really not that bad, especially for potted plants. They had a bunch of like cactus and succulent ones too, but I already have a bunch of those, so I didn't need more with those. So there's those guys. I'll put them over here. And then I did find a white one. Oh my gosh, I love this white one too. So it's gonna be perfect now that I have both a black version and a white version. So I can use both of them, you know, obviously separately for photographing jewelry and stuff. And I really love how, you know, everything is marked, which is really, really cool. So I got this one. It was originally $15, but I used a 50% off coupon that I had at Joann's. So if you don't know, Michael's will take competitor coupons. So right now they only have a 40% off coupon. And so I went on the Joann's app and found a 50% off coupon. So sometimes they'll even go up like as high as 60% off. So you just have to make sure that it's like a percentage off. Sometimes depending on the store, they'll also do like the coupon that says like take 5 off $35. But for some reason, the Metro Phoenix one doesn't do it. The guy was kind of being a jerk about it. So, but whatever. I mean, you know, I still wanted it anyway. So the one that I usually go to on 7th Street in Bell usually does it. And it's kind of cool because that one has a Hobby Lobby within walking distance of the same plaza. Kind of terrible for both of the stores, but kind of perfect for customers because if one doesn't have it, you can always walk up to the other. So, and there's a Marshall's right next door too, so they might even have some Halloween stuff. So yeah, so I got the white one, which is really cute. And then, oh my gosh, the stuff is getting everywhere. I grabbed a punch for my husband. He needed them for the Geek Badge stuff. So I got this on clearance too. This was not Halloween, but it's the Happy Planner stickers and it's the color story one. So I'm kind of a hoarder with planner stickers and pretty much any craft supply. You guys know that. So, but this was $6.97. And that is it. So I really didn't get much Halloween stuff today, but at least I got a lot of footage for you guys so you can kind of see what's out right now. Some of the stuff is the same from last year, but this year I noticed they had a lot more palmistry stuff and more like astrology, all kinds of stuff. I wanted to also do some shopping on Michael's online. I know they're having a coupon out right now for any online purchases, or if you buy online and you pick up at the store, all regular purchases are 40% off. So, and that's like your entire order. So I'll probably go online and find a couple of the things that I really liked in the store today and just buy it online and just have it shipped to me. Sometimes if your order is like over a certain amount, they'll also offer free shipping, which is really nice. So yeah, I might do that. I definitely want to get the crescent moon little like wall figurine. I thought he was really cool. I'll put a little picture up for you guys. There was some really, really cute stuff at Michael's right now. I do have quite a bit. So I kind of wanted to be picky and, you know, just get what I needed. And if anything, I could use for photographing like jewelry and accessories too. If you guys know of any other really cool place that has a lot of Halloween stuff, I know I still have to hit up Home Goods and Ross and TJ Maxx and stuff too. But if there's anything else, let me know. Put it in the comments below. I would love to hear if there's any other really cool like Halloween decorations out right now. So, all right guys, well, thanks for watching and make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you later. Bye.